I'm a cardiothoracic surgeon. My main area of interest and expertise is coronary revascularization, valve repair, replacement surgery, and a special interest in aortic aneurysm surgery. The Loyola Cardiac Surgery Program is a premier program in the Midwest and recognized nationally for some of the work that we do. It's truly a comprehensive program. The team provides exceptional thoracic oncology as well as benign thoracic surgery. The cornerstone of most, if not all, of their work is robotic. Their outcomes exceed and surpass those of similar academic institutions in the Midwest. Loyola has always been recognized as one of the leaders in heart and lung transplantation. We were one of the first to perform lung transplants in the state of Illinois and have been performing heart transplants over 40 years now, which makes us really at the forefront of transplant care. I'm most satisfied by just being able to deliver patients back to their families. I mean, at the end of the day, we're trying to allow more memories for families, more Thanksgivings, more Christmases, more celebrations, restoring patients back to a better quality of life so they can live a full life and enjoy more memorable occasions with their families.